Hello friends, welcome again. So today we're going to learn about the complete information of overload relay. So what is overload relay and what is the working principle of relay and what is the purpose of using the relay in the electrical circuit? All the basic concepts are going to be discussed in this video. So I will request you all to watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very beneficial and very informative for you guys. And another thing is that if you are firstly visiting this channel, then I will request you to subscribe this channel because this video will be very beneficial as well. The channel will provide the more beneficial video like this. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting much time. So now let's see what is a relay. So a relay is an electrically operated switch. That means relay is a switch which is operated electrically in the electrical circuit, and the primary or the main purpose of a relay is to protect the electrical system from too high of a voltage or a current, allowing the safe operation of an equipment which is connected to the relay. Okay, that means it is saying that it will protect the system which is connected to the relay by sensing the overcurrent or the over voltages in the circuit or in the appliances which is connected to the relay. And the relay are commonly found in a variety of applications from the commercial and the industrial also. And basically relay is a sensing device which is used to sense the over current and in the motor or any devices connected to that, and then it gives the signal to the circuit breaker to switch off whenever the signal will be got by the circuit breaker from the relay. So okay, a relay is generally it is an electrically operated switch and it is a sensing device. It works as a sensing device in a electrical circuit or the system. So an overload relay is basically works as a sensing device in the electrical system or the circuit, and it will always senses the overcurrent and the over voltages in the circuit or in the appliances which is connected to the relay. That means if certain change will be available, the voltage will be very high or the current will be very high in the system, then the relay will act as a sensing devices, and then it sends the signals to the circuit breaker to turn off the switch. Okay, so it is generally works as a sensing device. In this way the relay provides the protection to the many systems which is connected to the relay. So there are many advantages of using relays, like relay can switch AC and DC both. Okay, so it can works in DC also in AC. So a relay can switch high voltages also. This is another advantages of a relay, and relays are better choice for the switching large current. Okay, more than 5 ampere it can sense or it can be operated in that region, and relay can switch many contacts at once. That means it can be operated at once with many contacts. These are the main fact or main advantages of the relay, and it's all about the overload relay. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.